This is the answer. Next, which of the following statements is true about construction of a quadrilateral where AB equals to 3, BC equals to 5, AC equals to 9, AD equals to 6, CD equals to 2. Okay. First check whether 5 elements are given for construction of a quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So basic thing is completed. Now let's check the remaining things. It is possible to draw a quadrilateral. You can't say that immediately. Okay. Because first try to draw this and then you will understand. See, this is a quadrilateral given with all the dimensions mentioned. Now in this quadrilateral, this is not up to the scale because 2 is shown as bigger, 6 is shown as smaller, but it's just shown what the dimensions are given. Now in this quadrilateral, check one point. There are 2 triangles also. And what is the property of triangle? The property of triangle is sum of any 2 sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side. Is it fulfilled over here? AD plus DC, that is 6 plus 2 is 8. It is less than 9. So can a triangle be constructed over here? No. It means if this triangle can be constructed, then how can the quadrilateral be constructed? So this quadrilateral cannot be constructed. Okay, same logic applies here. Basically your answer you have got that B. It is not possible to construct a quadrilateral since AD plus DC is less than AC. Okay, that is done. But in exam there can be other option also. Look at ABC triangle. 5 plus 3 is 8. Means AB plus BC is 8 and AC is 9. Again here the same logic follows. So even if the option given is AB plus BC is less than AC, then also it is correct. Okay. So in this case given, B is the correct answer because it is not possible to construct the quadrilateral since AD plus DC is less than AC. Okay. To construct a kite, which of the following is necessary? See here, firstly, what is kite? To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.